Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Hey everyone, this is Josh Taylor, and I want to welcome you to another Trade Advisor Pro market update. And I want to go through this video here with you and talk to you about some of the trades that we're currently in and some of the trades that we are looking to get in. Today is February the 2nd, 2012, and it is a Thursday. So if you're watching this video and it's several months ahead, you can use this video as a training opportunity to see why we did what. I want to talk to you about a trade that we're currently in that on the USD CAD pair. Okay, this is dollar Canadian, and we about 2 weeks ago we got into a trade here, as you can see, starting all the way back as far as pretty much the end of October, into October, near the very end, that the USD CAD, other than a small breakout here, is in pretty much trading in a channel. Now, I've talked to you about this on webinars in the past, that 80% of the time a currency pair will travel in a range. It will bounce in a range. And it's been doing so for the last 3 months, and is pretty much in this range. So a couple weeks ago, sometime mid-January, right around in this area here, I don't know when it was, I guess it was around this January 20th, we took a buy position at 1.0082, and we were looking to put a stop loss all the way down at 9,800. The chances of us breaking down to this down that far is pretty slim. So this is more of a longer term trade, and we were looking to buy here and sell up here near the top of this range. You can see that this is a lot of resistance up in this point. It's broken up for short periods of time. This is a daily chart, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, less than 2 weeks, and then it broke back into the channel. But for the most part, it's been swinging into this channel. Okay, and so we bought here, expecting it to come up here within a week, and we would have closed. In fact, we would have turned around, reversed the trade, and sold. Now, ultimately, we're going to get out of this range, and we're either going to break down completely on a long-term scale, or it's going to take off a little bit more on a long-term scale above these resistance points. But one thing I've noticed here is that we continue seeing lower highs. Boom. In fact, I don't know if I can draw a trend line here, but you can see that the highs are getting lower and lower and lower. So this thing has been trending down slowly but surely. All right. And at the same time, we have a what's called a pennant pattern here. And so right around this time, I was expecting this currency pair to break down through this mark, come back up into this line, but we haven't. So here's where we're going on right now. We are currently in a new channel. And I think in a previous webinar, if you've watched one of our webinars, we talk about support becomes resistance becomes support. So as we were in this channel, and we've been bouncing back and forth, up and down, we were expecting a break up into the top of this channel, and we would have closed at a profit and then resold to take ourselves down here. But what happened is for a short period of time, we've broken below this support line, and now you can see that this is now almost become a resistance point. Okay, so we are going to stay long in this trade. I mean, this could literally take anywhere from, you never know, this thing could take a week, it could take a month before we get out of this trade. So this USD CAD trade is going to be a little bit long term. But in the meantime, there are several other opportunities. In fact, let me look at my notes here. We are actually just sent out a news announcement today that we are going to go long on this pair right around 0.9975. So right around here, which was yesterday's close and today's open. Right around there. If we can get an opportunity for price to drop back down to 0.9975, we are going to buy. We have a stop loss at at 0.9926, which is here, about there, which you can see over here. If it comes all the way down to that point, that's going to be a good place to stop us out. And then the profit target is 1.0050. 1.0050. So right around, I know these charts are a little jammed up with stuff, but right around this thing. So it's because it's been trading into some new little mini range in here. We could wait till it goes all the way to the top of this range, but I like this little range better. It's a little quicker. So right now we're at parity, which means we're at 1.00, which means the US dollar right now, as you can see right here, 1.0000 is perfect. It's called parity, and that means the US dollar is 100% equivalent to the value of $1 Canadian. Okay, so we want to make sure that price drops down just a few more pips, down another 25 pips, takes us in, which we could have done earlier. It's already hit that level today, so the Asian market might be able to push that back down, and then we're going to close out right around here. That's going to be a short-term trade. We're going to get in and out of that trade, we should do pretty good. You can see the RSI stochastic is showing that we're slightly underbought. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.